Hey guys, today we're trying to fix YouTube not showing the comments problem. So if you guys are having some issues that your YouTube application or whenever you view a YouTube video, it is not showing any of those comments. So in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to fix that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so this is going to be pretty easy because of what we need to do first is to go ahead and access the specific YouTube video that you want to go ahead and view the comments of. In this case, it's gonna be any video right here, because what we actually need to do from here is to actually proceed with checking if the comments of that YouTube video is on or off. Now the channel or the owner of the channel could actually turn off comments on a specific YouTube video, which is why that may be the reason as to why you are not seeing those YouTube comments. So there's actually nothing that we can do about that. In the case of the user or the channel owner has turned off the comments on that video, but in the case that they did turn on the comments, and you just can't see them or basically see them loading, what we can actually do is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi and see if we are connected with a stable connection. So you can actually see if you have a stabler connection, and you can also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. And that is how you guys can easily fix this issue. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.